Hello everybody, I'm going to give you a short video here on Pythagorean Theorem basics. Of course, the Pythagorean Theorem is used to find the missing side length of a right triangle if you know the other two sides. It's given by the formula a squared plus b squared equals c squared, where a, b, and c are the side lengths of a right triangle. The variable c is the hypotenuse of the right triangle. As it's written, the formula is set up to solve for the hypotenuse, but by the simple manipulation of the equation can be used to solve for any missing side. So let's take a look at a right triangle diagram. You see this right triangle below is given with vertices A, B, and C, and side lengths little a, little b, and little c that are directly across from the vertices. In this triangle, let's have a equal 5 and b equal 12, like so. Then, if we use the Pythagorean theorem, we're going to get an equation of 5 squared plus 12 squared equals c squared. If we go on and try to solve for c, the 5 squared plus 12 squared equals c squared will become 25 plus 144 equals c squared, because 5 squared is 25, 12 squared is 144. You can add 25 and 144 together to get 169 equal to c squared. Then if you'll just take the square root of both sides, because remember, whatever you do to one side, you have to do to the other. Take the square root of both sides. That will give you the answer, 13 equals c. Not that difficult. Of course, if we take a look at this triangle again, and let's solve a problem where you know the hypotenuse and you're solving for one of the missing legs. It doesn't matter which one. You can solve for either A or B. I had to pick, so randomly I'm going to say that we're going to give you side A is 6, side C is 10. That'll leave us solving for B. Look like that if you filled it in, drew it on the diagram. So A is 6 and C is 10. Your new equation will become 6 squared plus b squared equals 10 squared. If you want to solve that, you're just going to square the 6 and get 36. You're going to square the 10, get 100. Leaves you 36 plus b squared equals 100. You're going to subtract 36 from each side. Again, whatever you do to one side, you have to do to the other. Subtracting 36 from both sides will leave you with b squared on the left and 64 on the right. If you will again take the square root of both sides, your answer will be that b equals 8. Now everyone, I know that this was a very simple and short refresher on using Pythagorean Theorem. I would like you to remember that I used very simple basic equations to start with, and that you don't always get answers where the square root comes out to a nice simple number, where we got 8 on the last one. So I do hope that you all remember how to simplify your square roots, and if not, I will probably make another video showing that. Thanks again for watching.